Hey Valley Middle, welcome back to another weekly enrichment lesson. Tonight we're going to work on turning fractions into percentages, but we're going to use a slightly different method. We'll be completing this worksheet here, and I'm going to work the first problem with you. Now, typically, when we think about turning 7/10 into a percentage, we take 7 divided by 10, here it is, 7, and there's the fraction bar, divided by 10, and we get 0.7, and then we multiply by 100, moving that decimal 2 places to the right, and we get 70%. And we can just take and pop that right in there. However, keep in mind that when working with two equal fractions, the cross products will be equal, like 7 times 100 is 700, and 10 times 70 is 700. Well, using that same philosophy, I like using the box whenever I get working with fractions and percentages, because I know that I can set it up like this, the two fractions, and I have an open spot here. I can take 7 times 100, I can multiply diagonally and then divide the other way, the other two numbers, and get my answer for this one. So if I take 7 times 100, I get 700. I divide by 10, I have 70. And you can see that that's right. 7/10 is 7/100, or 70%. It works for other numbers as well, too. Take, for instance, 2/5, and you want to know what the equivalent fraction is if the numerator is 6. Well, you can multiply diagonally. 5 times 6 is 30. Divided by 2 is 15. So 2/5 and 6/15, these are equal fractions. And again, check the cross products to double check. 5 times 6 is 30. 2 times 15 is 30. It works when you have an open spot in the numerator over here too. So we want to know what part or how many fourths is equal to 6/8. Well, multiply diagonally. 4 6, divide the other two. This is 24. Divided by 8 is 3. Okay, so I call this the box. You're going to use it a lot in chapter 7. But it works really nice, and it works upon this idea that cross products are the same. So as you work through this activity, you see that these are already set up in boxes here, and you're looking for a percent out of 100. So just try multiplying diagonally and dividing the other two, and you can show your work just like that, putting your number in. Once you get that, you can find out that the answer 70 represents the letter E, and put it in and get the answer to that stupid little puzzle there. All right? Use the box, Luke. I think you're going to like it. Have a good evening. See you in class.